Steve here, NRC. I'm with my brushless Kyosho Blizzard, and I want to try to run it on the 3S. I have a 3000 milliamp ULANZI. I'm charging that up right now. I want to see how fast it goes because I use the GPS meter here with my Ripsaw one I modified to make it go on 3S, and that got 7.4 miles an hour. So I want to see how fast the Blizzard goes on the 3S. I'll show you right here. I got the brushless motors. I don't have really big pinions on these. I could probably go up and gain more speed, but I kind of like the torque for when you're in the snow and off-roading, so I leave it with the smaller ones. I forgot what they are. They may be 16s or 15s, I forgot. But anyhow, I'm going to put the GPS on it after this battery gets done charging, and I'll take it outside real quick and we'll see how fast it goes. Here it is. I got the 3S battery in here. Let's see how fast she goes. Time to beat 7.4 miles an hour. See what we got here. We got 8.1 miles an hour, so it's a little faster than the Ripsaw, not by much. That's the 3S. Whoa. Hard to handle. Oh, that just did it in. Pop the chain. This is the first time I ever popped the chain. Oh well, let me see if I can get it back on. Alright guys, I got the chain back on. It's no good to run these types of tracked vehicles in these long grass like this. It's really long. It's probably like 8-10 inches long. I'm gonna take it out over here. Just rip that up. Whoa. Yes, Blizzards ain't meant for speed. Fishtailing all over the place with these plastic flats. Whoa! Like a drift machine. Like a drift tank. A real drift tank. There I am going up the grass again. Well, there you have it guys. There's the Blizzard. 8.1 miles an hour. Like I said, I don't think you want these to go too fast. They get out of hand. You could probably make these go like 10. I bet it would be good, 10 mile an hour. I usually run mine just on the 2S. It's fine. So that's it guys. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you like the video. Hit that bell for future videos.